guys, my name is Beige. So today's tutorial, I am sharing all the details about that beautiful, gorgeous blonde bombshell curly wig that you just saw me wear. This wig is from Nadula Hair. I'll have all of their information, the promo codes, and the direct links down below in the description box. The wig is 24 inches. The hair color is honey blonde. The texture is jerry curly. The cap construction is a 6 by 4.5 lace closure. The wig comes with pre-cut lace and it was created on a breathable, stretchy cap. The wig cap has a silicone strip in the back for high hairstyles without the need for glue or adhesive. The wig cap features 3 combs and an elastic band. Here is an up close of the hairline. The knots are not bleached, but the hairline is pre-plucked. The color of this wig is so stunning. It's so beautiful. This is like a beautiful chestnut color, and then there are blonde balayage highlights all throughout. The first thing that I am going to do is tint the lace. I'm grabbing 2 different colors of lace tint. The first color is the color of my foundation, and I'm spraying that on the hairline portion of the lace closure. The second color is the color of my scalp, and I'm going to spray that on the inner portion of the lace closure. I'm doing 2 different layers of each color of lace tint, and then I'm going to blow dry in between each layer for a custom color match. This step is always optional, but I do this with every install because I do not wear any wig caps underneath my wigs, and this helps me melt the lace into my skin complexion a lot more seamlessly than a wig cap would. This is one of Nadula's ready-to-wear wigs, so the next thing that I'm going to do is basically style the wig and then put it on my head. So to style the wig, I am just going to grab a curling gel of choice, and the one that I am using is Wetline Extreme. I'm also grabbing my Denman brush and my detangling comb as well as a spray bottle of water. In small sections, I'm going to fully saturate the section with water and then grab my detangling comb and then start to detangle the section. Next, I'm just going to apply that gel and then use my Denman brush from the bottoms on upwards to get these curls to pop. I'm going to follow those steps for the entire head, and I'll come back when I'm at the front. Okay, so now that I have defined the curls on this wig, I'm just going to grab my diffuser and start to diffuse through the hair. This is always optional. This will basically give me more body and volume, and the final look is going to be really big, voluminous hair. Do you prefer big curly hair, or do you like your curly wigs to be sleek and defined? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so now that I am at the front of the head, I'm just going to grab some mousse and apply that to the hairline. I'm grabbing my brush and I'm just going to get those hairs to go in the direction that I want them to go into. And I'm also taking out some baby hairs as well. And now I'm just going to grab Got To Be, and that's going to lock all of the hairs into place. This is typically when I would cut the lace off of my wigs, but because this wig already came with pre-cut lace, I don't have to worry about that step, thank goodness. Now I'm just going to put the wig on my head just to see how everything is fitting, just to see how the hairline is looking, and it's looking really good so far. Do you guys see how it just blended and melted into my skin complexion? That has a lot to do with the lace tint. Now I am just going to grab some powdered foundation and a flat brush, and I'm just going to define the part a little bit more. The knots were not bleached on this wig, and putting the powder over the black knots helps make the knots disappear, and it just makes the wig look a lot better if the knots are not bleached. So after doing that, I'm just going to grab some Gorilla Snot gel, apply that to the baby hairs, and then just start swirling the little baby hairs on the side. And then I'm going to put my headscarf on. I'm not using any glue or gel or adhesive on the lace to lay it down. So this will be a completely glueless install. What I like about glueless installs with the baby hairs is that the baby hairs pretty much lay the wig down for you anyway, so you don't even have to use any adhesive because you'll have that security from the baby hairs being plastered onto your face, but you don't have to worry about extra damage to your hairline by putting any gel or adhesive on your actual hairline. See, you guys, see how it looks flat and it's down and it looks like it has been glued down with adhesive, but there is no adhesive on it at all. I love that. Like, I love easy to put on, ready to wear wigs. So I just want to show you guys how the wig is looking after only being diffused. These are the defined curls. Me personally, I love big curly hair. I love really big, you know, like just really big hair. We're going for Beyonce today, okay? Shakira, somebody. We're going for Shaka, somebody. So I'm just going to grab my pick and I'm going to pick through the roots because I just like how the more voluminous curls look on my face shape. This is always optional, of course. You don't have to do this either, but I think it gives it more of a personality when it is, you know, picked out. You can see the color a lot better. You can see the highlights way better. And it just, when you walk into a room, it just demands everyone's attention. It's like a look at me wig. You know what I'm saying? Such a beautiful, 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 beautiful wig. I'm going to do it for the other side, and let's chat in the comments how you feel about this color. What do you think about the density? What do you think about this install? Glueless install, you guys. What do you think about this wig? Let's chat everything this wig down below in the comments. So I'm going to show you guys, of course, how it's looking after being picked out, but then I did decide to darken the roots a little bit. I felt like the color was a little off-putting because it was so close to my skin color. So it kind of just reminded me of, I don't know, it just made me want to darken the roots and make that black. I feel like you can see the part a lot better when the roots are darker. So I'm just going to grab some black eyeshadow and I'm just going to imitate how your hair would look if it was growing out of a hair color. So I'm just going to take my time and then just define the part with that black eyeshadow. And of course, my name would not be beige if I did not grab my scissors. Like, I always got to cut my wigs for some reason, but I love, love, love how my wigs look with layers. Curly wigs are no exception. I love layered wigs. And I think it made a huge difference after I cut those layers in it. This wig is such a look, such a show-stopping look for sure. Thank you so much for watching. I'll have all of the information, the promo codes, and the direct links to the wig worn in this video down below in the description box. Don't forget to check down below for all of the wig details and the direct link. And I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.